Woke up with a moon face? Give me one night and I'll show you a simple, evidence-based protocol that can visibly flatten your facial puffiness by 70% without any medications, gimmicks, or starving yourself. No juice cleanses, no skipping meals, and definitely no detox juices. Your liver and kidneys already do the detoxing. Plus, many of these juices are high in anti-nutrients, which can upset your gut health, so skip all those gimmicks. I'll show you exactly what to do this evening, what to do first thing tomorrow morning, and how to avoid puffiness during the day. Let's first see why your face looks puffy in the morning. Most morning puffiness isn't fat, it's fluid. You've seen those curvy girls with tons of body fat, but their face still looks sharp and defined in the morning. And obviously, you didn't gain weight while you were sleeping, it's just fluid, hanging out where it doesn't pay rent. Overnight, lying flat shifts fluid toward your face and especially under eyes. Late-night pizzas, too many drinks, 4 hours sleep, and a clogged nose? Congrats, you just scheduled balloon cheeks for sunrise. Your body is 70% water, so where that water sits matters. When you sleep flat, your head is level with your heart and fluid drifts into loose tissues in the face, under the eyes, cheeks, and if last night you had a high sodium dinner and lots of carbs, and on top of it, if you also had a drink or slept short, that pushes even more fluid to your face.
But here's the good news. Fluid is dumb and easy to move. It responds fast to gravity, temperature, sodium-potassium balance, and clearing your nasal passages. So instead of crying in the mirror, we're gonna rig all four in your favor. Here's the blueprint. Tonight, desalt, de-alcohol, load potassium, moderate late carbs, nasal rinse, and elevate your head. Tomorrow morning, cold mask, 4 minutes of lymphatic massage, hydrate, light cardio. During the day, keep sodium tight, stay hydrated, move, and avoid triggers. Okay, let's start with step 1 in the evening to set up the win. Firstly, cut sodium and raise potassium at dinner. Salt makes you hold water outside your cells, so less salt is equal to less puff. Aim for a low-salt plate, skip sauces, packaged foods, and add potassium-rich foods like potato, banana, leafy greens. Potassium helps your kidneys push out extra sodium. Think of it like a seesaw. When potassium goes up, sodium comes down. Here's a quick high-potassium food list. You can screenshot it. Baked potato with skin, sweet potato, spinach, banana, beans, and especially coconut water. Second, skip alcohol tonight. Alcohol dilates blood vessels and can worsen next morning puffiness. If you usually have a drink, swap it for sparkling water with lemon or coconut water. Coconut water is naturally high in potassium to help balance sodium, and save the booze for another day. Third, keep late-night carbs moderate. Your body stores carbs as glycogen, and each gram of glycogen binds about 3 grams of water with it. So don't go huge on rice, noodles, bread right before bed. Example, take half your usual portion and add extra veggies or protein. You're not cutting carbs, just keeping them lighter at night. And aim to finish dinner 2-3 hours before sleep. Fourth, open nasal airways. If you're stuffy, do a gentle saline nasal rinse. It clears congestion that pushes fluid under the eyes. Fifth, sleep with head elevated. 1 extra pillow is enough. And don't sleep face down either. Sleep on your back or your side. Think of it like using gravity to keep fluid from pooling around your eyes. If your neck complains, lower the pillow a bit, but keep that slight lift. Now coming to step 2, the morning routine. Use a chilled gel mask or glide an ice cube wrapped in a thin cloth over your face for until it melts. Add only light pressure. The goal is to calm swelling, not to freeze your skin. Okay, now come to lymphatic massage. Set a 4-minute timer for your lymphatic massage. Use your fingertips and press in the soft dips just above your collarbones. 10 tiny presses are enough. This opens the exit so fluid has somewhere to go. Then start from the upper cheek. Glide outward to the spot just in front of your ear, 5 slow strokes each side. Keep the same light touch. Mid-cheek to ear, 5 strokes. Now, from the center of your chin, sweep along the jawline to in front of the ear, 5 to 7 strokes each side. Finally, finish by gliding down the side of your neck to those collarbone dips. Now, in the morning, hydrate right away.
Drink a tall glass of water as soon as you wake, then keep sipping through the morning. If you didn't follow my instructions or went salty at last night's dinner, have a second full glass by mid-morning. Now it's time for you to add some movement. 10-15 minutes of easy cardio, or walk while you check messages, take the stairs, quick cycle, or just march around the house to promote circulation shifts. You've done the depuff work, now let's not refill the balloon during the day. Today, keep sodium modest. If you're ordering lunch, ask for less salt and sauce on the side. Skip packaged foods, instant noodles, and peri-peri everything. If you crave crunch, try unsalted or roasted nuts instead of chips. Push potassium foods today. Think of seesaw again. More potassium equals less sodium. Grab a banana, add yogurt with your lunch, or sip coconut water in the afternoon. And please stay hydrated. Keep a bottle at your desk and sip, don't chug. Avoid face-down naps and heavy salty lunches. Take 8 to 10 minutes of walks after lunch and again early evening. Stuck at work? Pace on calls. Use the stairs. Remember, gentle movement throughout the day keeps the fluid moving. And don't forget, sleep matters a lot. Get a solid 7 to 9 hours sleep. Sleep restriction literally shows up on your face, more swollen red eyes and darker circles in studies. Poor sleep also pushes up cortisol, aka your stress hormone. Higher cortisol makes your body hold on to more sodium and water and leaves you restless instead of relaxed. If you skip this and sleep poorly, the whole routine won't work as well. Imagine trying to clean a room while someone is actively throwing trash around. Now, here's a quick recap card. Tonight, low-salt dinner plus high-potassium foods, no alcohol, moderate late carbs, saline rinse if stuffy, sleep head elevated. Morning, gentle cold compression, 4 minutes of lymphatic massage, hydrate, and 10-15 minutes of easy cardio. Day, sodium modest, potassium up, hydrate, too many walks, and avoid face-down naps. So, before you start this tonight, take a quick before photo. Same room, same spot, same light. Hold the camera at eye level and arm's length, neutral face, hair pulled back, no filters, no beauty mode. Then, tomorrow morning, take the after photo the exact same way. Same light, same angle, same distance and expression. You'll see the difference better than the mirror. You followed every step described in this video by heart, but you still haven't surpassed the title and you are still stuck at your favorite number? Then I guess you are missing something that is very, very important. Yup, you guessed it right. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Each carries a 1% improvement, and that's how you finally surpass the title.